Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming service and power. The phone must support tethering and your plan must allow it. Once done, plug in or charge to at least 20%, then open settings and turn on mobile hotspot. Make sure to name the network and set a WPA2 or WPA3 password so strangers cannot jump on. These steps start the process immediately and prevent avoidable connectivity or billing surprises. Next, you tune performance and limits. Choose 4 GHz for broader range or 5 GHz for higher throughput, depending on distance. Then, cap the number of allowed devices to reduce contention. Fewer clients means steadier speeds. Make sure to enable data usage warnings and an automatic hotspot timeout to prevent overnight draining. If connections remain flaky, restart the hotspot service, and when necessary, reset networks. Finally, you verify everything by connecting a single device and loading multiple sites to confirm DNS and throughput. If pages fail, restart the phone and the client device. That often clears lease or routing issues. Make sure the phone's hotspot shows an IP address and that no data cap has been reached. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode for 15 seconds to reset radios. If that fails, reach out to your carrier for provisioning or account blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.